So, you decided to take the opportunity to work on a farm in America and earn some dollars to change your financial situation and to provide better for yourself and the family. Or you just simply want to gain more experience in the American farming culture to further your career. Well, whatever your reason, here are steps to follow to help you understand the process and to help you get work on a farm in America. Let's go! Step 1. Get your passport ready. You need a passport to file for a visa application, so the sooner the better. Step 2. Identify your skills. Ask yourself these questions. How will a farm in USA benefit from having me as part of their team? What skills can I offer the farmer? So guys, you need to have skills to work on a farm, and most farmers will need a helping hand during their peak season that understands the farming culture. Exploring your skills is also a fun way to determine what you can offer an American farmer and give him a reason to hire you. Talk to friends and family and ask them to help identify skill sets you have so that you can do a great CV and cover letter for the work when you apply. Step 3. Start working on your CV, cover letter and video. Well, you might say, I have all that but cannot find work, or I've tried applying with farmers but had no luck. So guys, we will look at the importance of these 3 tools and how this can make or break your opportunity to get work on a farm in America under the H-2A visa program. Let me explain these 3 tools and why it is so important to have them done the correct way and possibly spend some time and money to get your CV and cover letter up to a standard so that you can be noticed. I will get back to the video shortly. These 3 tools have a certain way to get you noticed if it's done the correct way. Be sure to check out my other video on why my CV looks like this here on my YouTube channel. Let's talk about your CV video. Don't worry, I also never heard of it and I didn't know how to do it, so let me just say, if I can do it, you most definitely can do it. This is a very important tool to have, especially if you are applying directly for work on farms. Your CV video is just a short video that tells the farmer the following. Who are you? What skills do you have? What benefit will the farm have if you work there? Step 4. Start making contact with H-2A agents. Stop here for a moment. Let me just tell you guys, this is one of the most frustrating and faith-challenging steps of the process. I have no preference and don't take sides when it comes to agents. They're all doing a great job and they all want to help. But here is the thing. Some will just not help you based on your skills. Others will help you. So that is why I share a list of agents and you can contact all of them and see who is willing to help you. So guys, this is important to note when working with H-2A agents in your country. Make sure they are legitimate and not scammers trying to take your money. Watch my short video about H-2A scammers here on my YouTube channel. Guys, remember this, looking for work in America can be a very time-consuming job and takes a lot of effort and patience. And for those who believe in prayer, well, if you do, it takes a lot of prayer. Keep pushing and don't give up. Some agents might give you an opportunity to register with them, and even that takes long. It can be frustrating, mind-numbing at most times, but get it done. It often takes days, weeks or months. Keep at it, don't give up, like Nike has been telling us all these years. Just do it. Step 5. How to deal with your H-2A visa agents. Guys, this is also very important to note that once you are registered with any agent, or if you are working with your farmer's agent, the key word here is to follow up. Be persistent, even if you think you will wait for them to give you a call, don't. Trust me, you need to be on their case all the time. Why? Well, they got to know you are serious. You've got to at least communicate with them once a week. You have to make them aware that you are serious about the opportunity for you to get the job. So this is what I do. I will contact them via email. If I get no response, I will then send them a text or WhatsApp message, something like this. Hey, this is Jacques. Hope all is well. Any news on a job offer? Or, hey, have you found a contract for me yet, Jacques? If I get no response within a day or two, I will give them a call. You can watch this video, How to Handle Your H-2A Visa Agent, also here on my channel. Please like and subscribe to follow my farm work journey in America. Visit jacquesfaith.com for more info. Use YouTube Audio Library only. Add bold subtitles with a popping effect.